It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video, man. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and man, we are here to talk about some boots. A company called Brunt Boots sent me some boots out, y'all. These are the boots here. These are the Martin boots here. Man, I'm gonna tell you, check out their website, y'all. They got variety of boots for my big truck drivers, my motorcycle riders, construction workers, and they reached out and sent me these boots here. And hey y'all, I'm gonna tell you this, y'all, and I'm honest to God truth. These are the most comfortable boots I ever put on my feet. These boots are so comfortable, y'all. I mean, really comfortable. And that's no lie. I'm telling you, you can look at the inside of the boot. The boot is well put together, great leather, no issues. And they are waterproof, y'all. These are some waterproof boots. Hey, they also have steel toe boots on their site as well, man. But I like these. They told me to go to the website and pick out some boots you might like. And y'all, when I saw these, and I needed some wintertime boots anyway, so I picked these right here. But like I say, check out the website. They got plenty of other different boots on there for, like I say, my motorcycle riders, big truck driver, construction worker, whatever you doing, man. Your everyday wear, you can rock these boots. But like I say, these gonna be my wintertime boots, and I need some waterproof boots. I tried other boots, and man, they didn't hold up to the rain at all. Feet just soaking wet. So yeah, this is the boot that I chose, and like I say, check out the website. They got their name all over this boot. You got Brunt Boots here, you got it here, you got it right here. They take great pride in their name, great pride. This is the bottom of the boot as well. I don't know how the grip is. I'm gonna put these boots definitely to the test this winter, y'all. I'm gonna put these baby to the test and see what they doing. You know what I'm saying? Because I have had, like I said, I've tried boots where they just wouldn't hold up to the rain. But this is the box that it come in. When I say they ship these out quick, fast, in a hurry, they come neatly packaged. Right here you got, they tell you a little bit about the boots and the soles, the insoles of the boots, inserts, whatever you want to call them. And this is the other one that come with this rag here, I guess, to clean up your boots if you need to. So, but this is how the box come. I mean, great presentation. Look at the inside of the box. Great presentation. I mean, this is gloss too, y'all. So that lets you know that they do take great pride in their boots, man, and what they putting out, And I'm thankful for them just sending me a pair out. They saw the channel and they wanted to send me some out. And y'all know I like black. You see, it matches the bike as well. Definitely matches the bike. So yeah, I'm gonna rock these this winter, y'all. So man, I just want to come over here and give y'all a rundown on these boots, and I will definitely let you know how they hold up throughout the winter, y'all, because this is going to be a winter rocking boot right here. I love the little deals they got here. Look at that right there. Just kind of loop them around when you get to the top. I mean, just great quality, man. Look at the inside of it, y'all. It's kind of padded in there too. Well, I say they are very comfortable. They are some very comfortable boots. But man, I just want to come over here and give y'all this rundown on these boots, man. But till next time, baby, the next grind, y'all stay up. Y'all have a blessing. I'm out. Peace.